Agriculture drones are emerging as a complete, modern solution for improving efficiency and sustainability in corn farming. Traditional methods such as tractors, manual labor, and crewed aircraft often cause crop damage, soil compaction, high fuel and labor costs, and delayed spraying, especially after rain or during later growth stages. Drone technology addresses these challenges by enabling precise, low-volume spraying that protects crops while reducing costs. Drones eliminate wheel track damage, save up to 95% of water, cut fuel use by over 90%, and reduce chemical use by around 25%. They also require fewer workers and can cover more area per day than small to mid-sized ground sprayers. Importantly, drones can operate shortly after rainfall, allowing farmers to respond quickly to pest and disease threats. Drones can be used throughout the corn growth cycle, from pre-emergence herbicide spraying to fungicide, insecticide, and even cover crop seeding. Following best practice flight and spraying parameters ensures consistent and effective application. A case study in Romania demonstrated the effectiveness of DJI Agra's T50 drones, achieving an 88% control rate against a major corn pest while significantly reducing field damage. Overall, agriculture drones offer corn farmers a practical path toward higher yields, lower costs, and more sustainable farming practices.